Back at the factory. As you can see behind me, picked up something special. Another car to add to the four-door gang. So we've got the R33. This is going to be the next giveaway car. It's really clean. Genuine, well, factory manual. RB25 turbo. It's only got basic mods like TN coilovers. Oh yeah, factory sunroof too. That's pretty cool. Yeah, all the interiors all in good nick. Just needs some good wheels and some lowering, and yeah, a few little basic mods, and I'll get her looking nice, clean her up. It's got like plastic dip on the bonnet and stuff, so probably take that off and give her a bit of a cut and polish, just get her looking nice. Yeah, so that's one of our next jobs. Also, the walls are all finished painted, as you can see if you can see that. Yeah, walls are all painted now. Nice white, so it looks much nicer. A bit more like a showroom or something. The old brown wall wasn't doing anything any justice. So I want to put some big logos up on these walls, so I'm picking up a projector now. So the plan is to yeah, set up the projector. I want to do a big Kang Gang logo along this wall in black. So yeah, set up the projector and yeah, just get it all set right, all level and whatnot. And I've got some masking tape, so I'll tape around the border and mask it all up and spray it with some black paint. Should look good. And also on this wall I want to do a Keep It Reet logo, just a small one, because I've got to have tyre racks all along this wall and storage shelves above. So I'll make room for that and just do a bit of a smaller logo over here. So yeah, that's today's job. So I might do a bit of a time lapse on that. We'll see how we go. Alright, so it is now dark. I had to wait till dark to set up this thing, but I grabbed a You know, getting some old school ghetto, freaking primary school projector for like 80 bucks, which is a mad win because I think they're pretty expensive, or if you're gonna get a new one, I'm not sure, but either way, 80 bucks, can't go wrong. It's gonna make life a hell of a lot easier. I looked at, I was watching some YouTubes and stuff on making your own little projector using your phone. It's definitely doable, but stuff waste some time doing that when I can get the legit thing right here. So I got the laptop set up and hooked up. The annoying thing is, he said, because it's old, it like has plugs to suit like PCs and stuff. It's old school things. I haven't used that stuff in a while. But unfortunately, I had to get it to suit to plug in into a USB on the PC. And this little stupid thing right here to adapt it was $100, so just doubled the price of the projector right there. But I need it to get this done, so tis what it is. I got my fatties. Got a couple of rounds to see which one works well, but what we're gonna do is I'm gonna project it up on this wall. So this is just at the roller door right here. I'll try and refocus that. Yeah, so this wall here, pretty much from there to somewhere there, under the tire rack. So I've marked a little line where my tire rack is. You can't see it, but mark my little line. So I'll try to do the K underneath that and sort of work up on a bit of an angle. Yeah, so I'll try and project that and see how it looks. And then the big Kang Gang one, I might put the projector up on the back of the Ranger, get the projector as far back as possible, and then I can set the level of the hoist how I want it on the wall. And then yeah, tape it up, and I reckon I'll use rollers. I did get some spray cans for it, but I think it's going to be nicer rolling it on, nice thick. Whereas this, I can probably get away with the Sharpie because it's pretty small. And it'll probably look cool being a little bit ghetto done. So I'll set up this projector. I think I just turned it on. Let's chuck her on. So there you have the Reet logo. Now, just to turn on this bad boy. It sounds like it's connected up. I think it connects up automatically. Can't actually see what's going on. Is that shooting anything? Not yet. I think it's just booting up. So I think I'm gonna have to turn this at least front light off so I can see it properly. Which is the front? Yeah, that's the one. That's hella dark. Hopefully it's not too dark. So it's actually already projecting, but it's really light. It must be. Oh no, I still think it's slowly getting better picture. That's huge right now. But as you can see, it'll be pretty easy to trace out that. Just need to set it up on something. Get it sitting where I want. Yeah. Got a nice big keeper Reet, and then when people have their cars done and they want to take a picture, we'll just have you go sort of stand back here, take your photo. All these cars got to move back still because I gave them a bit of gap off the wall so they could paint. And now they're all finished, we can move them back. I think small room. But yeah, you can pretty much just, when your car's done, you'll be able to take a little photo of your car, keep it Reet in the background, big gangster. Post it on Insta, hashtag keep it Reet. Alright. So yeah, just gonna adjust this. One thing I forgot to mention, tomorrow I sorted out another sweet deal. Yes, another car. I sorted something pretty sick, which I think will be our new drift school car and battle royale guest driver car, because this thing's already set up. It's pretty sick, and it suits the Reet fleet quite nicely. So yeah, you can wait till tomorrow to see that. It's dark AF, you can't see much, but I've got it packed up with some coat hangers we use for our merch. Got it closer to the front of the car just to get it a bit smaller, but as you can see, it's sort of sitting roughly where I want it. I wanted to get it on a bit more of an angle like that. So I think you can adjust this little thing. Oh yeah, to make it bigger and smaller. And it also makes it better. Oh yeah, and then you can focus. Yeah, you can probably see that just, yeah. Or here. Oh yeah, you actually get a real good quality. Yeah, that's it. So I don't know, you might be able to see up close. It's a little bit, you can actually see the pixels. But it's going to be pretty easy to trace that. And now just got to set up the angle right and we're good to go. Alright, she's all set up. Got her packed up with the coat hangers on how I want us to sit on the wall. Pretty decent size. I've got it sort of around the mark I had on the wall. You can just see there. A little bit over, but I'll just move the tyre rack just to the left a bit. Probably start from somewhere here and go back so I can keep it clear of the logo. Managed to adjust the size a bit so it pretty much clears the PowerPoint, which is good too. So yeah, I'm pretty much good to start tracing. Got my 2 pens and I reckon I'm going to use the one with a little bit smaller head for the outline and then the fat boy for filling it in. So yeah, let's get started. All finished. So just the outline done. Probably just see there. When I stand in front, there you can see it. Back up. Alright, let's have a look when I turn the light on. Actually, should I? Yeah, bang the light on. Turn this off. Oop, I just moved it. Voila. Oh, looks good. How about that? Now I just need to fill her in. The case is the most sketch out of them all, the first one. I'm pretty happy with that. Came out real good. A lengthy process of filling her in. Alright, so it's getting a little bit late. It's only 7 o'clock, but I gotta go home to the kids and whatnot. Plus the GoPro died because I was, where is it? There she is. Got her in the nice setup on that chair. I was time-lapsing it and it died, so perfect timing. But yeah, it's looking good. Filled in the K, started the E. In between the bricks is a bit of a dog, but yeah, getting there. That's about hour and a bit's work. Not looking forward to doing the big Kang Gang one, but I think if I just do the outside and then use the roller, it should be okay. That shouldn't be too much of a lengthy process. But yeah, getting there. Pretty happy with it. For another day. Yeah, probably finish it tomorrow after we pick up this surprise car. Let's do that. Made it back. It's late and dark. Had to pick up some parts for the R33 as well on the way home, so it took a bit longer. But just got to load her off. Still haven't finished the filling in the logo yet. So the old time lapse will have to continue tomorrow sometime. Yeah, let's get this thing off the trailer. What do you reckon, Danny?